Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Moto G9 Plus with an already detached display. So David is gonna put a brand new one. So let's get to it. So since we're not going to be detaching the front display, we're going to proceed now to the full disassembly of this thing. And by disassembling the G9 Plus, we're just going to unclip this from the back cover right here. So this is typical on mid-range smartphones. They don't use adhesives on the back cover, but it's really effective in terms of repairability, because you don't have to put too much effort on detaching and accessing the battery and the other internals. We're gonna detach this fingerprint scanner flex cable. Be careful not to damage that one. And now we're gonna unscrew the motherboard shroud that covers the internals. And as you can see, this is a curious case because it came to us without any display. So this is the connector for the display. We're gonna test it out first because we have no idea if it's working or not. Let's try to turn it on, and it turns on. Then we'll see if it's gonna boot up successfully or if there is any more software problems. There isn't one. That's good. That's good to know. So we're just gonna properly shut it down. And then remove the replacement display and proceed now to the full disassembly. We're gonna detach the battery. And here you can see that this is the bare frame. We're gonna clean up the sides because of the old adhesives that Motorola has put on the sides of this frame. It's also gonna make the replacement display here sit flush through that slot. Remove the plastic. Never let any plastic left behind here. It's gonna melt if your smartphone overheats. It also creates some additional thickness to the replacement display, so you have to remove all that. Test fit. Okay, on the sides, on the corners. So we're gonna proceed now to the application of fresh liquid glue on the side of the frame. There's no way for us to attach the replacement display but through this liquid glue. But some smartphones have this adhesive cutouts. But this one is a niche model, the Motorola G9 Plus. So we're just gonna rely on liquid glue. Press it in, align it, connect the connector, put the battery on top of these flex cables or connectors, connect the battery, and then we're almost done. So if you have a Moto G9 Plus that needs a new screen, or if you need a new battery for your smartphones, we also do Samsung and iPhone smartphones. You can visit us on Sydney CBD Repair Centre, or you can message us through Facebook or through our website. We can also accept mail-in requests for repairs. You send us your broken smartphone, we fix it, and then once we're done, we send it back to you and we charge you. So that's gonna be a good deal, especially if you're not keen on going out. Install the flex cable. Press it in. And we're done. Oops. There's some... The buttons, you should also take note that it can be caught up with the frame. It's an easy fix. The screen is not scratched, by the way. Those are just the dried up liquid glue. We're just gonna clean it up later on. Put back the SIM card tray. And some customers, they don't want us to show the internal components or the internal contents of their smartphone, so we're not gonna show it here. We're just gonna make sure that the touchscreen is working and they do the testing themselves once we give it back to them. Clean it up. And now this Moto G9 Plus is now usable again. Very quick repair. David has done a good job here. So if you like this, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have a question. Until next time, cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.